Hi everyone, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Today we're at Broadway at the beach here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Come along, let's check this place out. Roll that intro. First thing we saw when we came in here was this like Simpsons ride, 4D ride. Looks pretty neat.
Hey,
you want to check out the Simpsons ride later?
I don't know. But I just found a lot of Simpson characters.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see there, but we got like all the Simpsons characters there down the wall. That's pretty neat. We got Chrissy here taking pictures. And we got Mom and Lauren riding on the wheelchair. And Nathan's pushing. You guys ready to go? Let's check it out. It's kind of like later in the day, so we're looking for something to eat. Hang out at the beach all day, you know, that's what you do when you're in South Carolina. But thought we'd come over here and check out what they had to eat. So let's find something. Oh, we found this place called Sweet Caroline. It's kind of like a barbecue joint here. But it's something kind of good, different than what we've had on this trip so far. So we thought, give it a shot. I got the ribs and the brisket. Nathan went with a pizza. Mom went with the fish and chips. What'd you get?
I got the combination with ribs and fried shrimp.
Okay. And Laura got her standard chicken tenders, I'm guessing.
Yes.
Well, we'll let you know how this place is, but I don't know, it sounds pretty good. Kind of in the mood for some good old southern barbecue. Okay, here's what I'm working with. I got some sort of stew. It's got like beef brisket and pulled pork in it. Looks kind of good. They also bring you out cornbread. It looks pretty good. And there's Chrissy's salad.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
We'll let you know how it is. So the stew, just ate it. It was really good. Kind of reminded me of like a vegetable soup, only like thicker, like stew, you know? And it had pulled pork and brisket in it, and that was really delicious. I'd highly recommend getting the stew if that's something you like the vegetable soup, like a thicker vegetable soup with potatoes and meat and corn in it. It was really good. All right, here's the ribs and the brisket. Looks pretty good. Nathan got the pizza. How is it?
Good.
Delicious. Laura got the chicken tenders.
They are actually fresh. They're not like hard like a lot of places.
Oh, that's awesome. There's Mom. She got the fish and the chips. She hasn't tried it quite yet. And Chrissy got the shrimp and the ribs. Looks good over there.
Yeah, it looks good.
I'll have to let you know how it is here in a minute. So, final thoughts here on Sweet Caroline's. The ribs were okay, maybe not my favorite. I think it was because of the barbecue sauce a little bit. It was a little bit extra smoky, and I don't like that barbecue sauce real well, but the brisket was really good. And that stew that I had was really good, so. And the cornbread that they gave you with the meals was really good. How was your brisket and with your ribs and your shrimp? How was your pizza?
Really good.
You tried the rib too. What did you think of it?
It was good.
Yeah. How was the fish and chips, Mom?
Not really good. It was fish sticks, not a fillet.
Oh, fish sticks and not fillet. How was the chicken tenders? Really good. So kind of a mixed review here. Some of it good. Not all of it though. So I would say the ribs were okay. Another problem I had with them was they weren't so meaty. They were kind of like thin ribs, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. But Nathan really liked them, but I think it might have to do with the smoky flavor. If you like the smoky flavor, which is like their original barbecue sauce, you'll probably like them. But I just wasn't really into that overly smoky flavor. But anyway, I'd still give it a thumbs up and say if you're down here, check it out. We just did there at Sweet Caroline's, but if you spin around, they got a Yamato Japanese steakhouse here too. That looks pretty good. Of course, I probably would be the only one eating sushi or Japanese, but whatever, you know. Maybe one day. This is kind of how it is, like a whole bunch of shops in this section right through here, like Sunglass Hut. Hit Sugar, get some candy up in there. Oh look, you can play some retro games. That's pretty awesome. Right here is the guest services, and actually that's where you rent the strollers and things like that over there. And that's where we rented the wheelchair from. It's like $12 a day, but you get $10 if you pay cash. They have electric scooters and strollers for kids too. Right behind guest services though, they have some rides like a giant slide and a swing over there. And I'm not sure what that thing is, like a pirate ship. Looks like they do sort of like a ticket system. Look here, we can get like one ticket for $1.50 or an all-day wristband for $32.50. The observation wheel they have here is $7.50. So it's kind of like fair prices a little bit, but the wheel's actually $7.50. That's not too bad, really. Anyway, here's the wheel that was $7.50 to ride. That thing is pretty ginormous, but not quite as big as the one at the island, I don't think. Also, they have some teacups right here, and a carousel, and a train, and the scramblers back there. They also have this little swing thing. It's like all kinds of like little carnival rides out here. It's kind of cool. And right behind the giant wheel, they have a Wonderworks over here. We've never done it, but it looks kind of fun in there. It's like little fun things to do and odd things you can figure out. It looks pretty cool. Right behind Wonderworks though, they have like a zip line thing and a ropes course. There's the front of the Wonderworks building. Looks pretty neat. Oh, there goes someone zip lining actually. Looks kind of fun. You zip line across this little lake right here. And actually, check this out. There's like a speedboat thing out there in the middle that like does spins and stuff like that in the middle of this little pond. And check out these little tube things you can get in. That's neat. Bounce around out there in the water. But check out all these fish that are down there. They look kind of like carp, maybe? We found Ron John. Check out the hat Nathan found. It's kind of cool. Has little flamingos underneath there.
I didn't see it.
How much is the hat? $24. Check out this surfboard. It could be yours for $329. Show them the rash guard you found. Cool. Show the back. It's the Kraken. How much is it? $35. On another note, we found some cool Ron John Myrtle Beach shirts. I think me and Nathan are gonna match. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
I'm noticing this beef jerky outlet store is a little bit everywhere. Gatlinburg, Myrtle Beach. Maybe they have mountain goat jerky. I don't know. Not so sure about goat jerky, but I like beef jerky in general. We came in this popcorn shop and look, the Flores popcorn kernels. That's cool. Plus it smells amazing in here. All kinds of popcorn and cotton candy. Looks like they got like a professional style kettle going on back there with the popcorn. This place serious about their popcorn. How's that popcorn, Nathan?
Good.
Awesome. Also, we found the Hard Rock Cafe. The inside of the Hard Rock is so cool. Look at it. And like stacks right there, drum kits up there, but check this out. Right here at the shop. Look straight up. It's like drum kit lights. That's awesome. Check out the Key West Grill. They got like a big old pirate ship hanging out the top of the restaurant. Oh look, people are in the little tubes over here running around. I'm pretty sure between like the shopping and the things to do here, you can spend hours here, maybe a full day even, I don't know. There is a Hampton Inn here, right on property. You can stay there and just pop out whenever you want to come over here. It'd be fun, I think. They also have a Paula Deen's here. If you see our Gatlinburg vlogs, you know we like Paula Deen's. Too bad we didn't know that was here before we got all the way around this place. Check out the boat, it goes crazy. It's a little bit better view of it. I don't know. They do like all kinds of crazy things. So fast in here. Woo! Look at it go. They also have a Joe's Crab Shack over there. And there's the back of the KwikEMart and the Simpsons ride that we saw earlier. Right over here also they have a Ripley's Aquarium. And since we have season passes, we could go there for a discount to this one, but we don't have enough time on this trip, but maybe the next trip we'll stop in here and check it out. So Nathan, what do you think of Broadway at the beach?
It is awesome.
What do you think of Broadway at the beach, Lauren? Is this someplace you'd like to come back to and check out more? Me too. What do you think, Grandma?
I like it. It's a lot of fun here.
A lot of shopping and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Check out this view that we got right now. It's so beautiful. It's like a sunset in the background with the wheel going. That is beautiful. One last view of the sunset here, but I can't even take it. That's so beautiful. They also have a Dragon's Lair mini golf here too. Looks kind of fun. It's literally like you're in a castle. This is amazing. One last thing before we leave, we gotta stop at the KwikEMart Check out some Simpsons stuff. We're inside the KwikEMart. They got giant donuts, Duff beer coolers, koozies. $6.95, not bad. Oh my gosh, how much is Homer or Bart? I like Homer. He's like a piggy bank.
Hold on. A Homer is $19.95.
He's like a piggy bank, that's cool.
And Bart is $19.95 also.
Neat. This is like the gift shop for the ride, I think, because see, there's a Simpsons 4D t-shirt right there. This lard-led donut coffee cup, that might have to happen. That's pretty cool. They got Buzz Cola, Buzz Light, Buzz Cherry, Buzz Sport, Buzz Tea, all kinds of Buzz Cola. They got Flaming Moe energy drinks. They got Duff energy drinks. Check out Bart's eyes with the sour drink that he's drinking. He's gone crazy. They even have an Itchy and Scratchy plush. It's kind of amazing. Itchy and Scratchy. They're $13.95. And if you like Duff stuff, they got it all. Flip-flops, hoodies, sweatshirts, shirts, mints, beach towels, and of course the KwikEMart t-shirt, right? With a slushie on the back for $24.99. What'd you get, Nathan?
Itchy's Berry Blast.
He got Itchy's Berry Blast. I got Radioactive Man's Nuclear Cherry Lime Coolant. Cherry limeade. If you've ever had cherry limeade, that's exactly what it tastes like. It's really good. So would you recommend the KwikEMart to anyone stopping over here at Broadway?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh no, Millhouse lost his squishy. I think he had the cherry limeade too. Alright everyone, well as you can tell we're back at the hotel now. We kind of ran out of battery over there, so we had to go back to the hotel. But the KwikEMart there at Broadway at the Beach was so cool. If you're a Simpsons fan, you should check it out. Lots of cool Easter eggs in there. There's Lauren. Overall, I had a good time, didn't you, Lauren? Wasn't the Broadway at the Beach fun?
Yeah, and those squishies were good.
Yes, we got those slushies that me and Nathan had. And Lauren had some of Nathan's. It was delicious. Well, I highly recommend if you're ever in Myrtle Beach to check out Broadway at the Beach. It's one of our favorite destinations here. Tons of things to do. You could probably spend an entire day there, right, Lauren?
Yeah.
For sure. I'd like to stay at that Hampton Inn over there one day just so you could have like a full day just to, you know, check out the different restaurants and shops and do all the different things there. It was so many things, right?
Yeah.
And the wheel, she really wanted to do the wheel. We just didn't have enough time to do it all tonight. Dang it. Next time, though. Next time, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and end it here. But thanks a lot for coming along with us. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.